What is going on? On a little surf trip with a buddy down here in Costa Rica, and gonna be shooting photos along the way. Drive down, drive back, but then also down here on the beach, shooting 3 different cameras. Got the Hasselblad Xpan, which is my favorite. Got the Yashica T4 loaded black and white Tri-X in that, and then the Contax G1, having some different film to compare the different results. So, it's gonna be fun. Let's get after it. Gonna shoot it black and white with this guy and then some color with here, but just fun old palm trees that got blown over. Must have been a storm. Little meter reading, so I've got 400 speed Ultramax in here, Kodak Ultramax, and so I'm rating it at 200, and we get f8, 250. I love driving around towns whenever traveling because there's, especially I feel like Hispanic towns have so much more color than other places in the world, but Costa Rica is so special to me. Look at this place. Choosing to shoot some stuff in black and white, especially like these guys already feel pretty monochrome. Surrounded by parrots, this is amazing. But yeah, so I've had black and white Kodak Tri-X in here, the 400 speed, and I think these are just gonna be a fun contrast. Usually wouldn't shoot black and white necessarily on the beach, but actually some of my favorite photos are surf photos in black and white. So playing around with that Yashica T4, love this camera. would love to hear down below if you have any comments on like which film or which camera you like the best or which camera you wish you had. But yeah, all of this stuff's available in the shop. Such a different look shooting with sunshine versus the cloudy and gloom. So it was pouring rain this morning and now the sun just came out. Gonna get a couple photos on that with the Xpan, shooting the Fuji 400H in here. And I think these blues and greens are gonna be absolutely gorgeous. So pretty amped on that. How amazing was that? I was looking so hard to find monkeys and I found them and they were right on the beach reaching for the camera, which was so fun. Hope the photos came out, but that video was really, really fun. Shooting all this on the GoPro Hero 9, it's new, I love it. This is the front-facing camera. I try in this video with the audio from this. I'm not using an external mic. So, I don't know, just giving you a little review of all of this footage so far has been shot with the GoPro Hero 9. I'm gonna put a link below if you want to buy one and you click this link and use it, so it helps the channel. So that's one way you can support the channel if you like what we're doing and putting out for you. But those were some fun little monkeys. Gonna go hunt for some macaws now. Thank you for putting on a show. Got a little surf sesh. How many times did we surf today?
4.
4 surf sessions today. I'm exhausted.
3 spots, knocked them all down, conquered the Osa today.
Got some good waves.
Sick.